I was at a point to where I didn't have a job, and I had a friend who worked for the Goodwill. I'm saying, she was like, we take in donations, and I was like, there's a place that like help people when they like, have no place to go. And she was like, no, she was like, that's not us. She was like, no, we take in donations and we sell them, for a nonprofit organization. And I was like, okay, so I came in and did the application, and like a couple of days went by and they called me and they told me to come in, and I've been doing good so far with the company. Everybody's good if they work with me. And I love it. In the 12th grade, I quit school and to raise my kids. So now the opportunity came for me to go to the Excel Center. So I jumped at that opportunity, and I'm really excited that I'm going to get my high school diploma because all my kids graduated. So that now is my turn, and they are excited for me. I'm going to get my high school diploma, and I plan on going back to school. Goodwill kind of changed my life, and I'm thankful for that.